AACC. What happened? Can I go for departure? Sure. Starting. Going. We're gonna go 359 clocks. Everyone, wear their seatbelts, and get ready. Full power, right? Yeah, full power. Okay, going up. 100 feet right now. Okay, we're going up. Okay, good. Okay. We're going. The power's off. It somehow was not working. Oh, okay. Is it good now? Yeah, now it's good. Okay. Oh, we have to make emergency landing. Power's all the way off. We don't have nothing to do. Just make emergency landing and tell them to get out quick. Okay, guys, we have no power right now. And brace for impact, guys. We're going down. Brace. Emergency landing. Okay, guys, so brace. We're about to touch water. We're gonna get 2 shots. Bam! Did you do emergency land? Yes, I did. Okay, now tell the people all to evacuate and swim away to shore. Guys, go to your closest exit, get out, and leave. Okay, good. Oh yeah, I realized we also have to get out. Okay, I'm getting out. Peace. ATC. Yeah. The airplane is almost fully submerged into the water. Is everyone out? Okay. Yo, ATC. Yeah. Isn't that gonna cost a lot? Yeah, that's probably gonna be like a 300,000 fine for the whole thing. Okay, I'll call you back when I'm at shore. Yo, hello? Okay, we are out of the water. If you enjoyed this, please sub.